Difficult employees can be a real thorn in the side of any manager. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 proven strategies to help you deal with them effectively. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader. And I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. So how are we going to deal with a difficult employee? First, I want you to establish clear expectations and hold the employees accountable. Make sure that each employee understands their individual roles and responsibilities within the team. From there, we can set expectations for performance, such as deadlines and quality standards, and ensure that they are being met on a regular basis. We can monitor progress and provide feedback as soon as possible when necessary, so that employees know what is expected of them and they can adjust accordingly. Secondly, we want to communicate effectively to employees. Show respect and professionalism in all interactions, even when discussing these difficult situations or issues. Next, avoid making assumptions, because you know what they say about assumptions. So be sure to listen actively to what the employee has to say. You need to use clear, concise language that allows for a productive exchange of ideas and feedback between both parties. Meaning, you have something in your mind. The person that you're dealing with, this difficult person, they also have something in their mind. And clearly there's a disconnect somewhere. Take the time, being professional, but take the time to listen to their perspective or what they believe their expectations are, or your expectations are of them. That could be the problem itself. Just an FYI, time is running out. If you're interested in joining the No Nonsense Leadership Academy, I want you to take advantage of this incredible opportunity, but the doors close January 22nd and it's no longer open. Don't miss your chance at becoming a better, more confident leader and developing strong skills that will benefit you the rest of your life. So in the description, grab the link. Next, when dealing with a difficult employee or a difficult situation, use positive reinforcement. This means identify and acknowledge employees who are making progress towards the goals, even if they're just small improvements. Praise them for their accomplishments rather than focusing on their shortcomings. Meaning, if someone's having issues at work, let's call them, try not to focus solely on that. Try to find those good things, the things that they went above and beyond for, and bring that to their attention. This helps create a culture of positivity within the workplace because you're promoting and recognizing their success. Poor employee performance, it can be very frustrating for you, and it can be disruptive for your entire team. If you're struggling with an underperforming employee, try out these 3 strategies and also watch this video to learn how to catch employee conflict before it becomes an issue. Get your coffee. Oh, subscribe too.